window cleaning mop, and an extra long barbecue tongs.
You can learn easier, cleaner, quicker.
But this is the porcupine mop, which has the microfiber bristles, so it's a little bit more cleaning power.
Cleaning is in the family.
Sorbo make one called the Sorbo Tricket, which is for louver windows, which you just squeeze and you just wash the windows. But I am using it to clean the blinds.
My brother Matt taught me how to do bond cleans.
So they sell a device like this. So honestly, for like $2 tongs, I got the porcupine for about 30 bucks. I think it's a net win. I've dipped it in the window cleaning solution with the little microfiber pieces. It just gets the dirt off, and I feel like it does a better clean, just like a microfiber cloth. And sometimes I'll bend it. I used to have to do these like a cloth in each hand, or I get one cloth and bend it around, but that was just so difficult. This is like 2 cloths for me. I used to just do the tops, and Ori would have to do the bottoms, but now I can do the whole thing. This is such a time saver.
DunWunna clean, come to DunWunna.
Making Dullsville fun.